Greetings everyone. It's kind of a fun investment experiment. Today's subject is, would you rather have a CyberTruck or $6,000 per year every year for the rest of your life? So how this works is, and the reason why I gotta say I like CyberTrucks. I haven't driven one, but I really like the idea behind it. And you know, Elon is a pretty political kind of person lately, but you gotta admit the media isn't really talking about the idea that this guy had a dream. He put it into place years ago, and then he made it happen. And the CyberTruck exists today. It was a dream from a person. He did the work to make it happen. It's a new, innovative vehicle. It's pretty amazing, and who knows, maybe it was part of his idea of living on Mars someday. They needed a truck. And it's part of his overall master plan to get to Mars. So I just like the whole idea. I think it's a much better concept than just a regular truck where same old boring whatever. These companies have existed forever. I like the idea that Elon had a dream and made it happen, which is really cool. So I want a CyberTruck, but the base cost is about $80,000. I know there's going to be a cheaper variant that comes out, and that's a lot. You think, what is the investment cost behind an $80,000 investment? So I like investing in pipeline companies. They have high dividends, and you can get 7.5% yield from several of them. There's two ETFs that I like, MLPA, AMLP. This isn't financial advice, but take a look at those. They have high yields, and they own pipeline companies. But let's say you put your $80,000 in one of those ETFs. Well, every year it's going to give you $6,000 based upon a 7.5% yield. And it's not going to do it just one year. It's going to do that year after year after year after year. So there's a law called the Law of 72 that says, how long does it take for your investment value to double? And so if you take 72, divide into it 7.5, it turns out that in about 10 years time, you double your money. So if you don't buy that CyberTruck and invest it instead, then in 10 years time, you're going to have $80,000 or the equivalent of it. And so your investments, I guess you could buy your CyberTruck then with dividend money, so the truck would be free, but you could also still keep that money invested, and then 10 years after that you'll have doubled your money again. 10 years after that you'll have doubled your money again. So that's the investment cost to a large consumer item. Is if you invest the funds instead, it can provide an income for you that lasts a long time. So quick video today, just kind of a thought. Would I rather have a CyberTruck or $6,000 for the rest of my life? It might be a hard decision, but right now I'm just doing the investments, and I'm earning the 6%, the $6,000 instead of owning my CyberTruck. So kind of a fun thought, food for thought type of experience. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.